Do you know what is the benefit of pipelines in your business? So let me share you. So in pipeline and in opportunities, you can have all your leads, all your new leads, all your hot leads, and also you can see all of their details here. Okay, so you can see their name and also their value, or if he's assigned to anyone, if anyone is taking care of your leads or not. You can see them. Also you can in one click you can see the conversation of your leads and also the call. And if you wanted to add any note to your the specific leads, you can add them also. Also you can make an appointment with your leads. So that's how you can see. In opportunities you can have your all leads and also all of their information and their stages, their status. You can have all of this in one place.